Yo, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm bringing you a brand new video, and today I'm doing a challenge. If you guys leave 30 likes on this video, I promise I will buy a capture card. And the reason I'm saying this is just because, like, look at this quality here. This is from a live stream that I did a couple days ago. This is how I get footage for the most part whenever I do like a commentary about a specific technology topic, or for, in this case, I did Call of Duty, the state of Call of Duty. So I wanted some Call of Duty background gameplay just for you guys to enjoy while I watch it, so you don't sit here bored, stiff, listening to me speak in my monotone voice. So guys, if this video gets 30 likes, I will go out and buy a 1080p capture card. They're not that cheap, but I think I can afford it. And I just want to bring you guys better quality content, sharper recording of gameplay in the background. I know I'm not a gaming channel, but this will be useful in the future, and I feel like it can benefit my channel in the future as well, because I want to bring you guys the best content possible, the most visually pleasing and all that good stuff. I found a really inexpensive one on eBay. eBay usually sells like really cheap products. Not always like cheap in the sense of like it's a piece of junk, but like cheap in the sense of its price. And you're getting a good deal for it. So yeah, guys, with that being said, smash that like button. If I get 30 likes on this video, I will go buy this, and I will make better quality content for you guys. I promise that. Most likely, even if I don't get 30 likes, I'm still gonna buy it anyway, but whatever, I'll use this as an incentive. So yeah, guys, smash that like button right now if you're watching this. Click the little like button in the bottom corner of the video. It takes 1 second to do, and while you're down there, click that notification bell, because YouTube doesn't like sending out notifications to my subscribers, and you guys should know exactly when I upload. So click that little bell and subscribe so you guys know exactly when I upload. Got some awesome content coming soon, guys. Leave me video suggestions down below. Leave me any of your thoughts down below. All that good stuff, guys. Appreciate every single one of you watching my videos. And yeah, go check out my recent videos. Those have been pretty solid. And yeah, follow me on my social media. Also, guys, check out my Anchor podcast. I'll leave the link down below. My Anchor podcast, I did 2 episodes on there. Probably weren't gonna record some more, but yeah, go check out that. Go check out my merch store if you guys want some Life Made Easy merch. Got that as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.